is Ichraq. I am 22 years old and I am currently doing my first year of master's degree at EHEB. EHEB is not your ordinary school. EHEB is a different fun school. Here, learning is not boring. You get different classes and different clubs to get you to actually love studying and love the things you do. What stands out at EHEB is the different clubs. As we know, every single student has different talents hidden somewhere. And here, you have the opportunity to actually get to know your talents and get to know what you love to do. The clubs are different. They vary from sports, arts, to English, our club. The English club has just started its first steps. Basically, last year we didn't even have an English club, but this year, with the help of Ms. Jawhari, we had the opportunity to actually start a club and add different members to it. Our first project was a debate about peer pressure. As we know, peer pressure is a really important subject for us as youngsters. And we had the debate, and then 5 members wanted to be part of our club. That in itself means a lot. Obviously, my clubmates and I and all the different students could have not done this without the help and coaching of Madam Jawhari. Thanks to her, each of us had the ability to actually look at his own talents and be proud of his own talents and follow his dreams. So the question remains, why English? As you know, us as youngsters, as students, especially at masters, if you do not know English, this is the time to go learn it. English remains international. It's a language of literature, of art, and it's just simply a really beautiful language.